Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, yours truly the Forex Juggernaut. Today I have for you an idea on AUDNZD. So we're gonna be diving into the charts and let's explore what possible trading options we can have for AUDNZD. So we're gonna start on the daily time frame. I wanna focus on this structure level where the market created a resistant level. Sorry for that, guys. Where the market created a resistant level. So you can see that this level has been holding because, excuse me, because as you can see, price pushed below this point and it came back. And indeed, we had a significant reversal where the market continued pushing down to the downside. And again, it came back to this level and it found the resistance. And if we go to the lower time frame, you will find that this was a double top or a triple top. So the market again pushed to the downside, and now the market again is back on this zone. What are we looking for? We're looking for the market to potentially resist, of which you can see it has already resisted there and pushed to the downside to complete this pairing, of which is a ranging market. And again, guys, if you just come back to the low part of this, you can already see that this is a potential. This is actually already a ranging market. As you can see, the market pushed down and pushed up, pushed down and pushed up, and we are looking for a push down. However, guys, we don't want to simply predict where price is going to be going, so we want to just go into the lower time frames and see what the market has for us um, in terms of are we buying or we are selling. You understand? So we don't want to literally predict where the market price will be going, but we want to react. Let's go to the for our time frame. So when we go into the 4 time frame, we then see much clearer that actually, yes, the market did find a resistant level here, and also here, and now the market has already found resistance here, guys. So what are we looking for? When the market supports, that shows us that there are a lot of buyers in that level and they are pushing price higher, and we're going to be looking for potential buys. When the market resists, shows us that there are a lot of sellers at that point, and we are going to be looking for potential sales. So already from this idea, we can already imagine the price pushing to the downside. Already we can already imagine the price pushing from the downside. But what more do we have in terms of confluence? We have this trend line that is pushing, that is a rising support trend line. So this is how it is, and it is accompanied by this one. So you can find that these trend lines, they align perfectly. Remember, guys, we don't simply trade these trend lines, we just use them for confluence and for pattern identification, because you understand that the market will move in patterns. The market will move in patterns. So this is the structure that we have, and let's zoom in and see what we have as well. So if you can look down on the current price action, the market just gave us a strong bearish candlestick, and this suggests to us that there are sellers in control of this market. As you can see, the previous selling pressure was very strong from there. So sellers are currently in control of this market, and as well as you can see, the market is making from this high, it's a low, then it pushed higher low, then it gave us now a lower low, potential lower low. Actually, it's already a lower low, and we can look for a market to reverse, then enter a push to the downside. So we can also identify that in this level we have something more like a zone. We have something more like a zone that the market broke. We have something more like a zone. Let me adjust the chart. We have something more like a zone that the market has broken here. So already with this break of this zone, okay, with this zone as well, let me just help you to see how strong this zone is. When the market price from this price point came up to this level, pushed down, and the same happened, and still the market found the resistance there. That means there were a lot of sellers waiting to push the price down. They did push the price down. As soon as the market came back up again, the market pushed down until it came back up again. At this point, it pushed down. Finally, it was able to actually break out. But if you know candlestick patterns and how the market moves, you can already see that there was a lot of resistance. So actually, the bulls, they fought to actually push this price higher. They fought very hard. You understand? So, but finally they pushed the price and it came back. It supported, but then because sellers are in control, they were able to push the price below this zone. So now we are looking for the market to retest this zone and potentially push down and potentially push down. I hope that is clear. So what we can be doing from now is just for us to wait for the market to actually come back to our level of support. So that we can wait for the market to come back to our level of support, our level of resistance. I mean, so we can wait for the market to come back to our level of resistance. Then we can then enter for sales. Yours truly, the forex journal. That's what I'm looking for on AUDNZD. The profit, the take profit probably be at this price, which is 1,0800, 1,0800, 450. So we'll be probably waiting for price to hold. Then if price holds, then we'll be able to put our stop loss just above, then target this level. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. We'll be waiting for more market breakdown videos, guys.